Hey there, I'm Serj, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I want to share a pretty fascinating story about how a small problem in Lithuania led to something that's helping thousands of people all around the world. You know how sometimes the best ideas come from running into a wall? Back in 2014, a small web design company in Lithuania kept hitting the same problem over and over again. They couldn't find enough skilled developers for their projects. Instead of giving up, they thought, well, why don't we just teach people ourselves? That's when something unexpected happened. The websites these student developers were creating weren't just good, they were amazing. And suddenly, this little problem turned into a light bulb moment. What if they could connect these talented students with small businesses who needed websites but couldn't afford the usual prices? Fast forward to today, and that simple idea has turned into WAcademy, this incredible community for over 120 people across 9 countries. Although we still haven't managed to get any clients in Antarctica. What started in Lithuania had spread across Europe, into North America, Australia, and even Africa. It's kind of wild to think about. All these students getting real experience building actual websites while small business owners get their digital dreams brought to life without breaking the bank. You should see some of these students in action. They're not just copying and pasting templates, they're diving deep into each business, asking questions, getting excited about the projects. It's like watching a chef in training cook their first professional meal, putting their whole heart into it. And the businesses? They're everything from tiny beauty salons to lawyers' offices. Real people with real dreams who just need someone to help them get online. The cool thing is, these students aren't just building websites, they're building their futures while helping others build theirs. What makes this whole thing work is that everybody's growing together. The students get real-world experience that's worth way more than any classroom project. The businesses get websites they actually love. And somewhere in Lithuania, that original team is still probably amazed at how their solution to a simple problem turned into something so much bigger. That's really what WAcademy is, a place where problems turn into opportunities, where students become professionals, and where small businesses find their place in the digital world. Pretty cool how solving one problem can end up helping so many people, right? Thanks for letting me share this story with you, and if you're interested in more information, head over to our website and check out our portfolio.